I got y'all right here on the daily. As y'all can see, we basically just riding the 100 moving average on the daily. So we basically leveled out, long story short. But as you can see, like I mentioned before, we already got our 2 peaks up here. And that resistance line is right there around 10.5 cents. So we tested it once, twice already. So next time we come up, we should be breaking through. But considering what the rest of the market looking like, although we've been sitting here consolidating in this general area, right, it is very possible we could come down here. What that is to about, unfortunately, to 5 cents. Reason being is because we haven't recovered this candlestick right here. It's the only candlestick haven't been recovered. And I doubt it do all kinds of crazy stuff and recover all these candlesticks. I really doubt that, and I don't think that's on the books at all. But just because the rest of the market looks like it's about to have a nice spike down, I wouldn't be surprised if it came down and spiked into the 5 cent range to recover the rest of this candlestick. But on the other hand, it could easily come up here and make a reverse move and actually go up, because it appears that a lot of the market is about to go down, like I said, to that nice spike, because a lot of these coins actually have this one candle that hasn't been recovered. This one looks much different from the other ones, but it is here. It just hasn't been recovered, and you can see where this is at, right? And you look at the line over here further, this is where the candlestick wicked at. So this is definitely a possibility, but afterwards we should be coming like a reversal, like a serious reversal, because our next goal will be right here where this wick is at, and that is at the 7 cent range. Yep, the 7.5 cent, that'll be the next range. So either we could come up to the 7 cent range, test it, come down, retrace, and break through, and continue up. Make another crazy move like it's been doing, because we know this how this thing moved, because it just stayed in the zone after it made it move for a long time. It was one of the first coins that actually did some numbers during this bull run. But like I said, it could easily reverse, because I've seen other coins that's showing signs of reversals instead of dropping. But it is possible. And on the 4-hour as y'all can see, W formation. But like I mentioned before, it could still make that drop now, because it could get rejected by this 200 and then come down. But like I always show y'all, it comes up, hit the 100, come down, test the 20, 50, come back up, because you got to get above this 200 EMA right here, which is the blue line. You get a bounce off of that, and then once you continue up, that's always confirmation that it's a reversal. But if you get rejected, obviously it's going down to the target I mentioned before, and that should be the low, and it should be reversal, because Bitcoin is good after that, so the rest of the market should be good also. And on an hourly, you see this, usually 3 pushes, see, boom, see, look perfect, because that will hit 200, come down, hit the 100 and the 20 at the same time, but it's still crossing, as you can see the other ones. Come back up, test it again, boom, hitting 20. We're gonna come back up, should test this line right here around the 6 cent range, and then that'll be a third push. Come test this. It's either we gonna bounce off and continue up, or we gonna bounce down to the next level, like I mentioned before earlier in the video. But yeah, that is what I'm expecting on ACH for the next week or so. We'll see what it do. But anyway, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grow and you make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.